Welcome to AI Doc YouTube channel, and for today's AI day number 99, I will try to revisit again LM Arena. Currently it's in beta mode, so they have changed their interface where we can more easily navigate through their different features. So let's try to check that one. Earlier we have seen this LM Arena. Yeah, it's on AI day number 26, 5 months ago. But recently I found that they have started with this LM Arena beta mode, and I found that few features where I have not tried, and that's my bad. But let's try to check as many as possible features in this session. So let's try to start with their overall like first, yeah, first we will start with this one, which they have this basic all chatbots kind of sidebar. All chatbots have this feature sidebar, which we can open and close at the same time. This is where we can switch to different theme, and this is for new chat, and this is for leaderboard, of course. But first, let's try to directly move to leaderboard, because LM Arena is famous for their leaderboard, and most of the time people try to check which AI model is performing very well and what is their rank. So let's try to check that first. Okay, it is checking if I am human or not. Now we are on their leaderboard overview homepage. See how leading models stack up across text, image, vision, and beyond. This page gives you snapshot of each arena. You can explore deeper insight in their dedicated tabs. Like from here, view all. Once you click view all, you will move to redirect to their separate page, and it's also available. They have presence on Discord, X, and GitHub as well. So let's try to check one by one. This is for text, and you can see that first we will try to check which model is performing very well. So if you check Gemini 2.5, it's almost like on text, web dev, vision, search, on this parameter perform very well. Yeah, so we will try to check one by one, but here we have this summary. For earlier arena overview chart, it was complex. So I think this is the one, previous one, legacy one. If you try to check that, okay, leaderboard, this one, it was very complex to understand, in glance, like like which AI model perform very well with this all this kind of complexity. But here we can see that it's showing detailed output with all details we can see at same time. So first place, second, and third place, they have should have changed the color theme, because first and second it's almost like a similar shade, but it's still fine. We can say that Gemini 2.45 is performing almost in overall number one. It's if we they compare to different part, then Gemini 2.4 Pro. Okay, so here we have two. Gemini 2.5 Pro preview, it's a number at number one. Gemini 2.5 Pro preview 5.6. I'm not sure what is this. But it's almost Okay, 6 and 5. uh, let's try to check what is the difference between that those two. Okay, they are two different models. So Gemini 2.4 preview 6, 5, and they are different models at altogether. So that's why they are uh, having two. We can see two versions here, and again on third position we have OpenAI's O3 model, then 4O models, and like next three models are from OpenAI, like 4.5, 4O, O3, and again at 6 Gemini 2.4 flash preview. So we can see that it is heavily dominated by Gemini and OpenAI, Google and OpenAI models. Also we have Grok 3, Claude, DeepSeek, all these available models you can see here. And if you want to check, you just need to okay, from here you can like go for their official website or official AI chatbot, like for here Claude Opus 404. So here we can see that, and you can try that particular model at all. So, and if you want to check that particular sections related all model or all ranking, you need to click and click all, and from here you can choose for for text arena which particular section you want to choose. Like for here you can choose for coding, and for coding related ranking we can see here. For coding, Gemini 2.5 Pro previews 0605 is at number 1. Here you can see score 95% confidence interval of votes provided by most of the time during like actual battlefield which will be try to perform, an organization and license, whether it's proprietary or MIT is, I think it's for uh, uh, available for all, and it's open source available that AI model, so everyone can use that and integrate in their system as well. So Apache 2.5. Okay, so here we have another Apache 2.5, then NVIDIA open model. So command Llama. Okay. For Llama models, I think it's also open source, but it's from Meta. So mostly we can see that most of the time this different models are dominated by few company, but there are exceptions as well, like Google, OpenAI, then Anthropic, and then DeepSeek is new, but it's now becoming like legacy. Also, we have Meta models as well, and a few from Chinese regions. There's these models also performing very well, and from NVIDIA, but few models from different partners like Tencent, ZPU AI. So depend on which uh, like category you choose, that related models you will see here. You can search models here as well, like Meta. Okay, so Claude related models will show here. Okay, and default remove style control. Okay, for if you remove style control, then we will see the more details for this rank, where like for rank it is 1 2 3, where style control is where how many positions that particular model uh, like crawled up or crawled down. You can see here this O3 model to become like uh, succeeded by 2 rank, and Gemini 2 point flash preview is down by 5 rank. So here you can see that for where that style control is no, there is no color code, it means it's stable, that particular model is rank is not changed. For that column only the control is available. And also we can see when that particular category is updated. It's updated yesterday, and total votes till now and total models are there. So you can see almost 247 models are there. 247 models are there, and it's only for text arena. Now let's move to WebDev. You can also navigate from here. For WebDev area, there are only 34 models, and it's I think all arena is updated on same dates yesterday. So it's daily they are updating ranking, and most of the time when this rank gets new models uh, released, they are more cautious about how that model is performing in this LM arena, because it's like having a result and publicly acknowledged result, we can say here, because these are these ranks decided by actual users. They tried their these models and choose which for from according to them which model's output is good. So for them uh, this output is matter. Here for web dev area we can see that uh, overall there is only one section, because for web development part, and there is a no like for from text we have maths instruction following multi-turn. It's a different kind of like prompt required, hard prompts, hard prompt English, longer query English, and different languages as well. Exclude ties, exclude refusal, exclude short query. So different parts are there for text arena, but for the web dev it's only one part, uh, web dev area. That's it. And there is no also filter for removing style control. This is because here actually we can see the battle, we will see in short. But for this also we can see that it is heavily dominated by Google, Anthropic, OpenAI, DeepSeek. DeepSeek have few models, but it's in we can see that presence in top 10. When Mistral launched a few months back, there was a big hype about its performance, but later I'm not sure if they short of marketing or something, but there is no news for Mistral, because regularly in regular intervals other organization releasing their model, but Mistral, I can't hear their news. Recently they released Mistral code, but I think due to Europeans uh, uh, like strict regulation about AI. Because of that, I think Mistral overall AI models are lagging behind. But overall, when they launched, it was hype and actual output was actually good during that time. So we can see here that around 21 numbers are there, but ranks are 34. So few uh, ranks we can say that multi ranks, like one is for two model, uh, second rank is for two models as well. So here we can see that Web Arena AI. So let's click on that, and here we can see that battle mode, where we can enter any prompt, and based on that it will select two models at a time, and that particular output we will get as a result, and we need to select which one is better according to us. It our preference can be like whereas as per like different individuals have different preferences, so based on that it will try to generalize which model is appreciated by which model's output appreciated by more individuals, so based on that. So here we have already available few prompts available, we can choose, or here there is a prompt surprise me, where it generates prompt to which can it use. So let's try to use both. Movie recommendation, simple 2D browser. So here we can say now the screen is split in two, and output is generating. We can ask follow-up question. Here we also have surprise me button as well. It will take some time. Two D Pong browser game. Meanwhile, let's try to check other type. Now for vision, arena, again we can see the same like screen as text. Here we have overall we have only two types, English and Chinese, and here we can search that part, default, style control, and we can see the similar screen as text. Here again we can see the dominance from Google, Anthropic, OpenAI, and few models. Here we have total 80 models, still working. Okay, did I miss this part in text? Let's see. Yeah, missed that part. In text arena, we can see that default leaderboard plot, the charts are available to understand how the different models perform in text area arena. So we can see that for Gemini at number 1, and models we can see the score, upper bound, lower bound score. This is ELO rating. ELO rating, it's standard rating they are chose, and based on that standard they compare different model performance. Average win rate against all other model, uniform sampling and no ties. So here we can see that part, and here we see that Gemini 2.4 preview win, they mention win rate for each model, and this is the complex one which earlier in overview also mentioned, but in overview this beta mode they have simplified output. This is for model A. Model A, fraction of model A wins for all non-tied A versus B models. So we can see that yeah, if you hover mouse, then you will see details, win rate for different model comparison. This is including ties, and this including without ties. So those comparison we can see here. Also they included battle count without ties. So the more, if you see less battle and win rate is more, then I think it's no use. More the battle, actually it means tested perfectly in real time environment, and that win rate is actual matter. Still working. I'm not sure what happened. There is no, can't see put. There is no output at all. We will come back here again. Let's see. So web dev arena, there is no actually uh, charts available for models. In visions we have again same charts available based on the selected models. Now text to image. For vision, I think we had 80. Yeah, text to image, there are only 9 models are there, and for different category, pre-generated prompts, user prompts only. So like what we have seen in this part where prompts are available, so those prompts are used for text to image, and pre user prompts, that means manually entered by user. And again we can see the dominance, like here we can see that uh, OpenAI model at number 1, OpenAI GPT image 1 part, and Google's Imagen at number second, and Photon 3, that's new I have seen. We'll try to Luma model. Okay, this is from Replicate. We'll try to check that part later. Then here we can see the diversity, like text to image arena. This is from OpenAI, Google. We have, so I can see only one from each like company, like OpenAI, Google. This is from Replicate. This is from like this is from Luma AI, and this is Raycraft, Ideogram, then Forest Lab, OpenAI, Black Forest Labs, okay, Stability AI. So Black Forest we have two, OpenAI we have two. So this is where less number of models, and actually there are diversity we can see here. Now since models are less, we can see simplified output here. Small charts are there for each comparison. OpenAI GPT image one. Okay. Now let's check if that output is available or not. If there is some issue, it seems technical issue. I can't see output. I have provided a response, but it seems that part is completed, and again I can't see the response. Here we can see the left one is better, right is better, or tie, which is, they mention here, like without it include ties and it without ties. So that output both are bad. Okay, so ties means both are good, both are bad. Okay, let's try to complete this one. Then we will move to Dev Arena Battlefield. Then for search, Gemini 2.5 again. Then for search, we can see the perplexity. For out of first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of first 5, we can see the 4 are from perplexity, and first obviously Google. So perplexity giving tough competition to Google. And yeah, we can see the three like models are 11, but we can see that Google, perplexity, and OpenAI, that's it. Three organizations are there dominating in 11 category 11 models. So we, for overall, it is only overall, there is no subsection available. You can search. Okay, PPL. So okay, and we can't search by name. We need to search API. Okay, they should have include the search by organization as well. So we can't what if they this naming convention change for one of the model, then we need to remember that one as well, that only. So organization, search by organization should be included as well, or you can search by numbers as well. If I want to check which model have like more votes, like greater than 1000, so I'm interested in that. If I'm not interested in models which have less votes, that should be also included, but it's okay. And it's I think this is the one search area, it is updated on 23rd May. This is not latest one, not a recent one. So text to image and vision, web dev, then for like all the updated, even overall. Okay, uh, text, web dev, vision, and text to image all updated on daily basis, but search is not sure why. Then we have Copilot as well. So okay, for Copilot we have and for if you're not sure like what is this all about, there is a short description available. Compare LLM based on their ability to generate image that match text description. So it is for text to image. Search, view ranking across LLM with web search for real-time information, external knowledge, and grounded citations. Learn more about our blog. We will try to check that as well. So this search arena is more important because people are like more habitual, where they actually search that particular their query, and based on search they decide what to do. They decide to make plan or not, they decide to do shopping or not, or they decide their next like task or plan of action. So this search arena is important. Then we have Copilot. Compare how well AI coding assistant understands and generate code across various programming languages and tasks. So it's again last updated on May 30th, and not latest one. But here we can see that DeepSeek as number one. So even though DeepSeek is not in news, we can see it is publicly acknowledged by, and we can see the result. Actually, DeepSeek result for coding part is good. Here we can see the few are from Meta Llama, like Llama models are there. Again, we can see the dominance of Claude. Then Mistrals are there. So total models are 14. Qwen also there. There was a hype when DeepSeek arrived, and then after DeepSeek, this Qwen arrived, and Qwen's output also appreciated by users. So there is only one like model for Copilot Arena from DeepSeek, but it's number one. Okay, now let's try to check their blog, our blog, where they have mentioned like Copilot, and they provide detail initially result. So it is for reference, like if you want to go through like their thoughts behind that, their output, how do people use Copilot Arena, that kind of thing. So if you want more details about that particular arena, you can check their blogs. So I think for each and I am one. So for most of the time, okay, for text to image, okay, only search and Copilot they have additional details provided, but not for all. Okay, now this part is done. Now let's check again what's happening here. Web arena. Yes, earlier I have used this part where output is not generated, and now check surprise me. Design a personal portfolio website with project showcase and contact form. Make it so we when this output getting generated, we first see the code part, how that particular code is work. Here output is generated, we can see the code part, and which language they use they not mentioned. You can copy the code or download. You can close this section as well. So let's wait for output generation. Personal portfolio, you can mention your project, and if viewer want to get in touch with you, then they can provide their details, and you will receive message as well. This part taking time, so let's wait for another few minutes. I think previous one not worked out because I moved from this like tab to different tabs, and I think because that not work, but ideally it should have worked. Here it's okay. It took time, but output it seems good. So it's created in React. Here we can see that they have used multiple like libraries. Here they use only one use state only, and code is okay. Code is well in both like formatted correctly. Let's try to check out. Okay, so we can see that it's show this personal portfolios look so basic, like beginner one, and for this portfolio we can see that it show name John Doe. It's common name in programming, full stack developer and UX designer. That name is mentioned. And then you can directly check their social media presence or email to that person. View my work. Okay, then you can directly move to view my work or check about me, that part. And these are some skill mentioned: problem solver, team player, continuous learner. I'm passionate, full stack, 5 years of experience. Good. Output is good. Project image you can use, e-commerce platform, and project related details are also there. And this is another project. Obviously, this output is I like and skills front end developer for that particular technology. What different like uh, programming languages you use, so those are mentioned in the last uh, this contact me as well. So this output is very good. uh, Left one is better. Okay, vote submitted. Now we can see the winner. So obviously Claude is most of the uh, like programmer use Claude for assistance, coding assistant, and we can see the Claude Opus 4. That model is winner now, and here we have Llama 4 Maverick. Output is not very good, so okay, and start new round. Now I will provide my uh, own command, own prompt. Let's see how it works. Not sure what to enter. AI API data. Let's try to, if it works, or let's try to check if it works or not. So send message. First they don't show who that particular model, because obviously it will create bias. And also if any company wants their particular models to get more votes, they will choose that particular model only. So they kept hidden from when that particular, till that voting happen. So code is simple. Here we can see that failed to fetch data. Okay, it's not performed well. Okay, fail to fetch data. You can open that in new tab which I didn't check earlier. When that particular output get generated, you can copy URL. When it's code, you can copy code or download. When its output is there, you can copy URL or open new tab. Let's wait for some time for this to complete. Still writing. Okay. It seems this model will perform better, but still I will again ask follow-up question. It saves so much time. Finally, it seems okay, getting completed. Page index, page index. I'm not moving from this tab because I'm like, if I think if I switch tab, then it won't work. Uh, just being superstitious, that's all. We can see here from like web, here we have beta mode, they have mentioned beta LM arena. Here we have web LM arena where actual battles occurs. So from this you can check the about section, provide feedback, change theme, or toggle sidebar. And again here we can, from this you can go through leaderboard, and this is battle. Okay. Okay, it seems completed. Let's try to check. Okay, so here we can see the detailed part. You can select data source for extraction. Extraction status, we can see that and ready to extract data. Let's try to check how much useful these battles are or output. Uh, Open a new tab. Okay, here we can see the more in detail. Whenever there is output, let's try to check in new tab, because here are actually output. You can see that website PDF document. You can okay, but how to extract exactly? Select source to extract data. That, I think that part, and we need to, as a developer, we need to add, like, because from, okay, connect and extract social media PDF. I will try to check, but it's not connect. Overall output is good. We need to connect from backend for that particular part. Like here we need to add a link, so that part we can do, but overall left right is better. But I will ask follow-up question. uh, Add. AI chatbot in it. Now, hope here we can see the details. Maybe there was some technical issue. Here we have we see only one part, that is one file. Okay. Again we see the same result, that not performing very well at all. Okay. This like AI model again started writing from scratch to include details as well. This model try to like uh, restart. Let's try to refresh. We can't refresh the code, we can only refresh the output. It's not obviously this second one is clear winner here. I think it will again take some time, some additional time it will take. It is always good to compare the both models and decide which one. So instead of clear winner, so it give competitive assessment. Okay. Take some more time. Come on, fast. I want to check other features as well. I think it's from again Claude, but not sure. Here they have added more libraries, but still it worked. OpenAI configuration node. Okay, this is from OpenAI, obviously, because they have added note as well, which is good practice, but ultimately model not worked. Just try to check if models add their footprint in this code or not. No. And here we have output. Oh, always open output, unhandled runtime error. Okay, call stack, no problem. It's okay. For chatbot, it's not work correctly. We can say that now it's this with follow-up question. Uh, Interference get messy. Okay. Now we have to decide RAT one is better. Oh, okay. Here is the DeepSeek. Actually, DeepSeek outperform Claude here. So that's the battle for you. Now let's try to check this for part. Here is the we are in battle section. This is arena. Then again you can start new chat, and this is okay. This is where you can start again, but there was some okay new chat. Okay, this section I was looking for. Here we have battle, but like we can chat with one model at a time, or we can compare two models of your choice. This model, uh, this type of battle we have seen now. Now let's see side by side. What I will I will try to check Gemini 2.1 flash preview, and again you can search here Gemini 2.5 6.5 and Gemini 5.6. So once you select one, it is one model here at one side. That model won't be available here, so you can't battle same models with each other. So here we have 5.6, we have 6.5. Let's try to check chat, or you can add. Okay, let's try to create image. Okay, select okay. Okay, let's try to use ideogram, because earlier I have used coding part, so here I will try to check different one. Okay, here we will choose GPT image one, and here I will choose Dolly 3. Both are from OpenAI. So now there is news that Elon Musk and Trump, there is a war, tug of war happening between them. Elon Musk and Trump fighting, and Trump on Earth, Elon Musk going to Mars. Your conversation and certain other personal information will be disclosed to the relevant AI providers and may be otherwise be disclosed publicly to the help support or community. Do not submit your our services or personal information. Okay, obviously. Okay, agree. Now we can see that output is in like history or previous work. We can see the actual time it takes. Okay, DALL-E 3 that's available. GPT image 1. This is not Trump, this is not Elon Musk. चालू है. Obviously, GPT image 1 output is good. You can inform that retry for particular model, which were was not available when we try to use web dev area arena. You can download image. Left one is better. It's type both are bad. Right one is better. Still, if you DALL-E 3 image now refined, but you from face it's clear that Elon Musk and Trump those face not match, so obviously right is better. You can add follow-up. Please vote to continue. We need to first vote here. Previous chat history context will not be carried over new conversation for it. So you for if you want to add follow-up question, so this part is completed now. Site is currently in beta testing. It may lack some features and bit buggy. Data loss may occur. We love to. So you can provide feedback. Side by side is done. You can direct chat for you need can select one. So for direct chat, it's only image. Okay, chat. Okay. You can select which part, chat or image, and based on that you can select model. So I think for this only selected models are available here, but you can choose that as well. So here I can see the Amazon models is also there, Amazon model. Okay, so you can work on that part as well. Join the team, how it works, ask question, that part. Sure, karna one. Then you can apply for open position, total 18, design engineering, other location. You can join their team as a full-time, and they seems they are a hybrid or remote kind of jobs available. So I will suggest have a look at least. So it seems that's it for. Okay, we try to check as many as features and do hands-on on this area overview. Okay, then they have blog as well. You can check, and main thing is that they have presence on different social media where you can contact them or you can see the latest happening from them. Usually they provide notification that this particular new model arrived and there is some rank changes happen, so you can check that as well. So that's it today for AI day number 99, and this is the one of the longest video I have created, but I enjoyed this part. So let's try to meet next time with our 100th AI day, and let's do AI exploring. Thank you.